All right.
I didn't touch it.
All right.
Let's see.
This is live. This is a cheesy cruise ship video.
Interior cabin. Deck
my
1, Koningsdam. Interior room tour. So that's kind of it. You come in the door and there's a bed. We're gonna get that swapped to 2 beds. And then, so yeah, not a lot of room to maneuver here, but we'll turn around. So there's the front door. There's Lauren,
Right.
and he's opened up this wardrobe
Open
thing.
the closet for you.
So closet, hangers,
We have to. Oh, hey, umbrella.
towels, umbrella, life jackets.
Probably got
Like more room for our clothing, a safe. Okay.
fridge.
Ooh,
Fridge.
mini fridge. Stocked.
Stocked.
Free? Probably not.
No. What? Nothing's free.
Nothing's. Yeah.
Especially on a cruise ship.
What's this mini bar menu?
drawers,
Okay, yeah,
it's
no,
just for-
not free.
Yeah.
And then you have this little like desk here.
Nice.
Okay,
Like a
and like
navigator.
little foot thing.
Paper form of a navigator. Oh,
Wow.
wow. Look at the art.
Masks. And the bed, which we're gonna change into 2.
Yep.
I'm gonna go to guest service right now.
Now,
Cool TV. And then bathroom.
a couple hangers. Yeah.
Little hangers.
Just to hang out. Behind door number 2.
A couple more hangers. All right. Small,
It's a cruise ship. What do you expect?
but it's pretty nice. The bathroom's like pretty modern.
Oh yeah, it's not bad actually. Oh,
And our shower, stand-up shower.
nice. Actually got looks like space in there.
How high would you say the ceiling is? Like 7? And there's Viv. Okay, that's it. Room tour done.